Hi everyone, welcome back to Easy Daily English. I'm Ben, and today we are talking about something very important for every English learner. Don't give up on learning English.
Hi, everyone. I'm Anna. Yes, this is a very important topic because many beginners feel tired when they study English. Maybe you understand some words, but you do not understand full sentences. Maybe you learn new vocabulary, but you forget it very fast.
That is exactly how many learners feel, Anna. They may also know some grammar, but when they try to speak, their mind feels empty. They want to say something, but the words do not come out.
If that feels true for you, please keep listening. In this episode, we will help you learn simple English phrases to encourage yourself, talk about learning problems, and keep going even when English feels difficult.
I like that. Today is not only about English words. It is also about confidence. Many beginners think, my English is bad, but maybe they are just learning slowly.
Exactly, Ben. Slowly is not bad. Slowly means you are still moving. And this is our first important idea. Don't give up. Give up means stop trying. So don't give up means do not stop trying.
So if I say, I want to give up, it means I want to stop learning English.
Yes, but we want to say the positive phrase, don't give up. You can say it to a friend and you can also say it to yourself. For example, English is hard, but don't give up.
Let me try. I don't understand this sentence, but I won't give up. Is that natural?
Yes, that is very natural. And here is another easy sentence. I make mistakes, but I don't give up. This is very useful because mistakes are part of learning.
Mistakes. That is another important word. A mistake means something is not correct, right?
Right. A mistake is something not correct, but it can help you learn. For example, if you say, he go to work, that is a mistake. The correct sentence is, he goes to work. But the mistake helps you see what to practice.
That makes me feel better. Many learners feel shy because they make mistakes. They think, oh no, my English is terrible.
But here is the truth. Mistakes do not mean your English is terrible. Mistakes mean you are trying. And if you are trying, you are learning. Stay with us because in a moment we will show you a very useful pattern for daily practice.
Good rehook, Anna. I want that pattern now.
The pattern is don't plus a simple verb. For example, don't stop, don't worry, don't give up. We use this pattern when we give simple advice.
So don't means do not, and after it we use the simple verb.
Exactly. We say don't stop, not don't stopping. We say don't worry, not don't worried. And we say don't give up, not don't give up.
That is a common beginner mistake. Maybe a learner says, don't giving up. But the correct phrase is, don't give up.
Perfect correction. Let's repeat the useful phrases naturally. Don't stop, don't worry, don't give up. You can use these phrases when English feels difficult.
I can imagine this situation. I listen to an English podcast, and I understand only half. I feel frustrated. Then I say to myself, don't worry. Don't stop. Don't give up.
That is a great example. And now let's learn another useful phrase, keep going. Keep going means continue. It means you do not stop.
So don't give up and keep going are close in meaning.
Yes, they are close. Don't give up means do not stop trying. Keep going means continue moving forward. You can say, English is difficult, but keep going.
I like that phrase, keep going. It feels simple and strong.
Yes, and here is a very useful grammar pattern, keep plus verb with ing. For example, keep practicing, keep listening, keep reading, and keep trying.
So I should say keep practicing English, not keep practice English.
Correct. We say keep practicing English. Another example is keep listening every day. And another one is keep trying even when it feels hard.
Let me make a learner sentence. I forget many words, but I keep practicing. Is that good?
Very good. That sentence is simple, clear, and encouraging. Let's make another one. I don't speak perfectly, but I keep trying.
I like that because it feels real. Many learners wait until their English is perfect, but maybe that is the problem. They wait too long.
Yes, Ben. Here is the mistake many beginners make. They think they must speak perfectly before they speak. But speaking is practice. Listening is practice. Reading is practice. You improve by doing.
Improve means get better, right?
Yes, improve means get better. For example, my listening is improving, or I want to improve my speaking. It does not mean perfect. It means better than before.
That is important. Improve does not mean perfect. Improve means better than before.
Exactly. And beginners need to hear this many times. You do not need perfect English today. You need small practice today. A small step every day is better than one big study day and then stopping.
Small step. I like that phrase too. A small step means one little action, like listening for 10 minutes or learning 5 new words.
Yes. A small step is easy to do and easy to repeat. For example, you can listen to English while walking. You can repeat one sentence in the morning. You can write one simple sentence at night.
So instead of saying, I must study English for 3 hours, I can say, today I will take one small step.
Exactly. That is more realistic. Now let's connect the phrases together. Don't give up. Keep practicing. Take one small step every day.
That sounds like something learners can repeat. Don't give up. Keep practicing. Take one small step every day.
Very nice. Now let's talk about feelings. Many learners say, I feel slow. But slow learning is still learning. You can say, I am learning slowly, but I am improving.
That sentence feels powerful. I am learning slowly, but I am improving. It is simple, but it changes the feeling.
Yes, and another useful sentence is, I am getting better. This means I am improving now. Little by little, you can say, I am getting better at listening, or I am getting better at speaking.
Let me try with my own example. I still make mistakes, but I am getting better.
Perfect. That is one of the best sentences for English learners. It is honest and positive. You are not saying everything is easy, you are saying you are improving.
Now let's make this practical. Imagine I listen to a native speaker, and they speak very fast. I understand some words, but not everything. What can I say?
You can say, I don't understand everything, but I understand some words. Then you can say, I will keep listening. This is a healthy learner sentence.
So I should not say, I understand nothing, so I stop. I should say, I understand some words, so I keep going.
Exactly. That is a much better way to think. And here is another rehook for our listeners. Before we finish, we will review all the key phrases together so you can remember them and use them today.
Great. Let's do one more real situation. A learner wants to speak English, but they feel shy because their pronunciation is not perfect.
In that situation, the learner can say, my pronunciation is not perfect, but I can practice. Another sentence is, I can speak slowly, and that is okay.
That is kind. I can speak slowly, and that is okay. I think many beginners need that sentence.
Yes, because confidence grows with practice. You do not need to speak fast. You can speak slowly and clearly. Slowly and clearly is better than fast and confused.
Let's repeat that idea. Slowly and clearly is good. I can speak slowly. I can keep practicing. I am getting better.
Wonderful. Now let's review the main learning points from today. Number 1, Give up means stop trying. So we say don't give up.
Number 2, keep going means continue. If English feels hard, keep going.
Number 3, practice means do something again and again. You can practice listening, speaking, reading, and writing.
Number 4, a mistake is not the end. A mistake can help you learn. You can say, I make mistakes, but I keep trying.
Number 5, improve means get better. You can say, my English is improving, or I am getting better.
Number 6, use don't plus a simple verb. Don't stop. Don't worry. Don't give up.
Number 7, use keep plus an ing verb. Keep practicing, keep listening, keep trying.
And our final practical example is this. English is difficult sometimes, but I don't give up. I keep practicing every day, and I am getting better.
That is a perfect sentence to remember. You can repeat it after this episode. You can write it in your notebook. You can say it when you feel tired.
Thank you for listening to Easy Daily English. Remember, you do not need perfect English today. You only need one small step.
Yes. Don't give up, keep going, and keep practicing. Your English is getting better, little by little. See you in the next episode.